G Nursery class. Assalamu alaikum. Your teacher Faiza is here with you once again with one more activity nursery class. 25th December is coming. You know now. And you know whose birthday is on 25th December? I think you forget nursery. I have told you. First of all, tell me nursery class, what is the name of our country? Pakistan. Okay, nursery class. And what is the color of our flag? Green and white. And what we found on our flag, nursery? Star and crescent. Again, star and crescent. Okay, nursery class. Now, we have done with Pakistan, nursery class. Now tell me, I have teach you the question that who is the founder of Pakistan, nursery class? Can you please tell me? Yes, exactly right, girls. Quaid-e-Azam. Who is the founder of Pakistan? Quaid-e-Azam. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. In Urdu nursery class, Pakistan Quaid-e-Azam ने बनाया. Okay, and this is Quaid-e-Azam. Can you see? He is a great leader, nursery class, and he worked day and night for the Muslims to become a separate country. Okay, and our country name is Pakistan. This is the flag of the Pakistan, nursery class. Okay, and in respect of 25th December, we are going to make an activity for Quaid-e-Azam. Actually, 25th December, Quaid-e-Azam happy birthday come. This is Quaid-e-Azam, and Quaid-e-Azam birthday comes on 25th December. Like nursery class, we celebrate the birthday of Ayman in December and Khushbuk birthday in December. So Quaid-e-Azam happy birthday also comes in December. Okay, nursery class, are you ready to make a card for Quaid-e-Azam? We will make a card for Quaid-e-Azam and send to him. Okay, let's come and make, nursery class. Now what I have done, nursery class, these are stickers you can easily buy from a bookshop. Okay, nursery class, and it's very cheap price. Okay, and what I have done, I have taken the computer sheets, green computer sheets, because our flag color is green. That's why I like to choose green color, nursery class. I have cut this picture with the scissor. Now I put the picture in the middle and I have drawn a balloon. If you focus on the camera, you can see that I have drawn a balloon around it. Okay, now I will cut this balloon, nursery class. Quickly cut and then come to me. Ji, nursery class, see, I have taken the white soft chart, nursery class. Okay, and I put it for, I have done folding. Okay, now I have cut 3 balloons, nursery class, and I will put the glue at the back side of the balloon, nursery class. Okay, 1 balloon glue. You can use any other idea, nursery class. If you have the small picture, if you get the small picture from the bookshop, cut the small balloons and make a small card. I got the big pictures, that's why I am using a big happy birthday card for Quaid-e-Azam and big balloons. Okay, nursery class, now what I have done, see, can you see this line? It's a very simple trick. I use the plate, I put the plate like this. Okay, nursery class, and I draw the line like this. It's simple trick how to draw a line like this. Okay, not a very difficult or technical task. Now I have used this balloon like this. First of all, I will post the last balloon. So okay, then 1 balloon like this. Okay, then 1 balloon like this. Okay, nursery class, done it, nursery class, and write down over here Quaid-e-Azam. Okay, write down and quickly come to me. Okay, nursery class. So here is Qaid-e-Azam. I will put Qaid-e-Azam picture in one balloon, nursery class. And Qaid-e-Azam is the founder of Pakistan, nursery class. So I will put the picture of Pakistan flag in the second balloon, nursery class. Oops, three tips. Done it, nursery. So nursery class, you know where Qaid-e-Azam lived? Yes, he lived in Karachi. So he is also buried in Karachi. You see ever this picture, nursery class? This is the tomb of Qaid-e-Azam. Okay, nursery class, and it is in Karachi. You know this thing, nursery class, where Qaid-e-Azam live? Like your teacher Faisal live in Lahore, the Khushbakht live in Lahore, the Fiza Fizan live in Lahore, right? But the Qaid-e-Azam live in Karachi. And this is the picture of the Qaid-e-Azam tomb. So that is why I am putting his tomb picture. So you remember this thing. Where is Qaid-e-Azam live and where he is buried? In Karachi. So I will put this picture in the third balloon, nursery class. Okay. Now nursery class. Now it's your creativity come. I have write Qaid-e-Azam over here. I have put 3 balloons. Now nursery class, it's about your creativity. If you have buttons, if you have pearls, if you have any sort of beads, you can decorate over here. If you have glitter, you can put it over here. Now I will show how I can decorate, okay? And I will show you at the end. Nursery class, I have these ribbons in my home. I didn't purchase it from the market, okay? You can use anything. If you have thread, you can use thread. I have put the glue on the back side of the ribbon, nursery class. And I am putting on the back side of the balloons like this. Okay, nursery? And you also do it with the 3 balloons. So, G nursery class, look at my cards. Oops, glue, what happened with the glue? Now I'm putting the glue on my finger and spreading over here under the Qaid-e-Azam name. Okay, nursery class, don't put in a large amount. Okay, put drop wise. My glue is, I think, come to an end, but we will compensate with this. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, nursery class, see, I have nursery class glitters. Okay, nursery class, I'm using green and silver glitter. I am putting the, oops, spread it with your finger. I'm using the black, green and silver glue. And nursery class, see, I'm spreading it with the help of paintbrush. You can use your finger, it's up to you. I have the brush, that is why I'm using brush. If you don't have the brush, use your finger. Okay, boys, but don't make it mess with your mama. Okay, nursery class, and I've spread it properly, nursery. And nursery class, let them dry. Now nursery class, put the silver on the downside. I'm using white and silver because the flag color is green and white, because that's why I'm using everything in this combination. Now see, I'm using my finger. Finger is the best thing, our body parts, nursery class, to help us. Nursery class, you know, my kids are also helping me, and also you help your mama to do the activity. And do remember, 25th is the birthday of Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Now nursery class, don't let it open, nursery class, let them dry. Okay, and then we will open and decorate the inside side of the birthday card of Qaid-e-Azam. Now nursery class, look at this. I have made a very beautiful card of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah nursery class. And if you want to G nursery class, if you want to decorate it, you can decorate inside the card. I have not decorate inside the card. You can decorate if you want. I have just decorate the outside of this card, okay? And do remember 25th is the birthday of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah nursery class. Again, I want to tell you, this is not your homework, not your classwork. It's just to keep the mind healthy, fresh, keep safe, keep warm, and stay in home nursery class. Okay, Allah Hafiz from your teacher nursery class, and enjoy your holidays. Goodbye.